tryna get this money, I ain't never let a bitch nigga take shit from me. Nah, nigga, not me. Nah, nigga, not me. And I'm just tryna get this dough, lay low, fuck hoes, come through new roads. Yeah, bitch, that's me. Yeah, nigga, that's me.
A man of great skill.
I know. All I need is one mic. A verse from me that's like a gunfight. Play me in the hood, they get dumb hype. Ride from the moon to the sunlight. I'm the type of nigga you ain't gotta like. Drive-bys on the bike. Uptown copping white, downtown copping nights. Handgun on the waist, know it's going down tonight. Heard a couple niggas getting money on your corner. Well, I want it all as soon as I run up on them. Pull up for that record, ain't no ask about the issue. I'm letting off that hot shit, ripping niggas tissue. Pistol work official, but you niggas don't be wanting that. I'm sending daughters with the note attached. Hey yo, I still go stupid. Bananas, knife work, hammers. Picasso couldn't fuck with this canvas. Junkyard dog shit, no Fred Sanford. Me, I'm the truth, and my bitch, she the answer. Fuck sick with it, man, my swag got cancer. And I get my hood trap shaking like a dancer. All these niggas with names, they not hot though. That nigga scheme, keep it in the streets like potholes. Life like a movie, Return to Billy Blanco. Came for them nachos, fight game macho. Any nigga you feelin' is willing, we can set it. But word to my nigga Wood, niggas getting deaded. I'm just tryna get this money, I ain't never let a bitch nigga take shit from me. Nah, nigga, not me. Nah, nigga, not me. And I'm just tryna get this dough, lay low, fuck hoes, come through new roads. Yeah, bitch, that's me. Yeah, nigga, that's me.
A man of great skill.
It's like, where's my lunch? But these niggas so soft and that shit seem more like brunch. Captain like crunch, all chrome ride pump. Between me and you, I done snuffed a lot of chumps. I'm used to running around with them Max and them Desi's, snatching pussy niggas out they lax and they Chevys. I don't give a fuck if it's lightweight or heavy. Snatch him out of sleep, this that Lone Wood Freddy. Catch me in the spot getting dome, watching belly. Or whipping in the kitchen, probably call you when it's ready. Purple ice next year, call it grape jelly. But since I lost Wood, it ain't nothing you could tell me. The guns, the drugs, the money just compel me. Had to cut a couple niggas off, you niggas failed me. Like I wasn't they father, but shit, why should I bother? Shit, I ran with they fathers, this is Skino the author. I'm just tryna get this money, I ain't never let a bitch nigga take shit from me. Nah, nigga, not me. Nah, nigga, not me. And I'm just tryna get this dough, lay low, fuck hoes, come through